Hello my friends, just give you some tips about new system that we posted, this currency correlator. So I give you two videos when we trade at news. At news is everything so is clear. I give you some example when you can trade without news also. Just have an idea and try this and it works. About news again, when you see some strong news, you can trade it, but also you must take a look at index of dollar. You have to look at this, and you don't have to trade when it can retrace. For example, you see some news happened like this. There was a news, and after this it was retraced. That's danger for if you buy USD, as I did in my examples in videos, and after this you press here buy USD and USD go down, you will have big drop down. Please see some indicators. Do not trade here in buy. Like when it starts to retrace, you don't have to buy it here. Like it was also go buy, but after how many times it happens here, like you could pick up here profit and buy and here, and after this you would go and drop down and only pick up here profit in buy. So that's not touch it even this. Like you see that you will not reach it even 50% of retracement. That would be a problem for you. Like you would also would like to wait almost 24 hours until retrace, even to up to here, as you can see. That's the problem. So also watch a trading youth use some M1 at least or M5 and see how USD goes during this news. If you trade USD, for example, and you don't have to trade in buy when it starts to retrace. Like you can feel it to using some indicators, something like that, like trader dynamic index or RSI at M1 or M5 or even M15, better M5 I think, when it's jumping. So be careful with this. So I give you two examples when I trade USD, and I trade this USD all day, but you have to feel when it's go. You see some movements when you trade. If you don't feel it, don't trade. Better do next. I will show you now. For example, you like to trade some pair and you know how it goes. For example, you like to trade, for example, EUR GBP. For example, some people like to trade this pair. We open this chart. What we're doing, we put some TDE also, or RSI is the same indicator. As you can see, there is a big trend, no retracement. It also happens. There is also big trend. But sometimes it's doing like, sometimes it gives us good chance to trade like this, in such areas like this. In this area we can pick up a lot of profit. I will show you. This was a news. Don't trade at news with your favorite pairs. If you feel it and you know why it goes, you can trade. But if you not understand how Forex news works, do not trade it. And when they start to retrace, also do not trade in trend. You have to understand it. So what we're doing here, for example, this is M5 or M15, any time frame you like to trade. So here a good example when you can see that we reached overbought area, and what we will do now, we will see that we wanna sell it. You have to take a look at EUR and USD. They not must be two pairs, not must be at USD not must be at very low. EUR can be very high, but USD not must be very low, because when it's start to go down a lot, USD, this not USD, sorry, GBP, for example, we wanna sell euro and buy GBP. This is a good example when we don't have to trade euro GBP in sell. We don't have to sell euro and we don't have to buy GBP because they're very strong in trend right now. We can do it when GBP start to go up or euro will start to go down, but one of them will stay in the limit. For example, GBP will stay down and euro will stay up. But one of that will go in center. Only in this way we can say, oh, it started to retrace and we can do it. But you also must take a look at these two currencies that give us this pair. For example, we sell euro and buy GBP. This is euro GBP pair. We have to take a look at these indicators. And as you can see, in time it goes down. How many pips? Like 20 pips, it's not a lot. But what we can do? We can set up our EA. We can set up our euro GBP, for example, like this. As you can see. So we just press buy euro and buy GBP and sell euro. Let's take a look at this. What we sell? We sell euro, buy GBP. The same as we have, for example, we would trade from this point, from this and this. From this point, we would add some orders also from this. So we click just two buttons and we will open seven pairs where we buy GBP and 7 pairs where we sell euro. And we wait some time and we receive some profit. That's the way you can watch at your favorite pairs and trade 14 pairs at the same time. But for example, you would buy, you would open it your orders here, but market go against you. You will see some drop down, market go wrong way, but you can calculate how many pips we go to open new orders. For example, I would like to trade with 15 points at euro GBP. If it goes higher, 15 points, 15 pips, sorry, it's 150 points. Okay, for example, it goes 15 pips more. I say I would again press these two buttons like this, and like I do in multi-pair level. Like we do in grid levels, the same we do in correlation levels, grid correlation levels, like this. And after this, you will see here order at euro GBP as a sell order, and you will see another sell order at euro GBP because you will not see orders at euro GBP. Yes, you will see it. You will see it. These orders you will see it because with we open 7 euro pairs orders and 7 GBP orders. You will see these orders here directly at this chart, but also at other 14 pairs. Basically, they 14 minus 1 because euro GBP is the same pair for both currencies. And this way you can trade. After when you close this, for example here, all 30 pairs, you can say I would like to buy it because I see that RSI or euro, I know that euro GBP will go up. You can do it the same, but you can switch. You can switch, for example, like this. Why I did this panel without buttons, like when we press just euro, and you have time to think about are you doing correct or wrong. That's the benefit of this panel. For example, now you will reverse the signal. You say I would like to sell GBP and buy euro, like this. You set up it opposite direction and you say I would like to buy euro GBP here. When you buy euro GBP, you buy euro and you sell GBP. When you sell EUR GBP, you sell EUR by GBP. It's the same. But you do it with 14 pairs, 7 EUR pairs and 7 GBP. But EUR GBP will be the same pair for both currencies, so you will receive 30 pairs, not 40. And this is the way you can trade in range. In when you see some big range, like 15 bars, 15 pips, it's not a big. For example, 25 pips, you can see that market doing some great moves like this, guys. 15 pips, 16 pips. There is also 16 pips. We can do it here also. You can sell it, you can buy it from here. When this dot line, you can find your indicator or any oscillator you would like and do it with this panel in profit. I tried this at almost all pairs and it works. Try it and let me know in comments if you understand what I mean. And also join that forum today contacted. There is a good example also. See this when you can buy it, when you can sell it with 14 pairs at the same time using this panel and this indicator. You will understand in time why we don't have to sell it right now, EUR GBP. We don't have to sell it. But indicators say it's okay, we can sell it. As you can see, we overbought here. Temporarily we can do it, but understand what risk you can use. I would like to recommend you to use 0.1 lot. 0.01 lot, and at next level, for example, you can open 3 levels with 0.01, and after 3 levels, for example at number 4 level, you can use, for example, this lot size, then this, then this, then this. At least calculate pip step at your favorite pair to open this correlation 14 pairs that you would like to trade. Using indication at your favorite pair, but you will trade his currencies of this pair. You will trade these currencies of that pair that include this pair. And after this you can pick up profit. I would recommend you from Monday to sell it with 14 pairs. But once you will receive, for example, 0.5% or 1% profit, close it and be happy. That's very simple to use. That's what I wanted to show you. And also today contacted one of my clients. He want to develop some correlation system, and we'll see, maybe we will create some new soft and new robot, because I tried to inbuilt in PGO, but it's more like a grid robot. But it also works in specific time very good, but we have to understand when we can use it and why. And I tell you, this indicator is really powerful, but when you understand it, you can see sort of usual pairs and you can see sort of the incorrect pairs, but we can sort it. We sorted it specially for understand which currency which way goes right here, right now. So in this case we will receive some 0, but we can see directly what is the moment of this indicator right now. And this indicator includes right now almost 6 indicators. You can use it. So guys, make a good profit. Let me know in comments what you think about this system. And as I told you, this system is free for our clients if they use our IB broker. And we posted downloaded files for you at forum, and you can download, you can open account here, download this system and trade for your results. And maybe in time we will do it more automatically. If you will tell me how to do it, post at forum ideas, we will understand together how to do it. So see you guys, have a good weekend it was Alex from FX Peep.